do you do? Oh my word. My brother started acting differently since he started using Tiger Balm.
Yeah! Time! Time, kiddo! Time! Thank you.
There's got to be a better explanation for how good Tiger Balm works than just the oils and the minerals.
He actually thinks that he's a tiger and that he's got to work with the ointment to chase away pain.
Go away! Sorry.
It just really hurts when your own family doesn't believe in you.
Get a job.
Tiger Balm chases away pain. Oh, God.